everybody, welcome to my channel. Now we are in a beautiful Cappadocia. In this video I will tell you how to travel cheap here, to buy cheap food and everything, to spend less and get many experience. Look, it's amazing. So friends, the cheapest way came here. You take your plane to Istanbul. We took the plane, Pegasus Airlines, and after Istanbul, look, you take another plane to Kayseri. We paid for this plane, wow, we paid €20. The flight takes 120 minutes, but you should be careful because we had the snow and cannot landing there. So if you plan to come here, you must know this problem, because our plane turned it back to Istanbul. We waited 3 hours, and after we had another plane from Kayseri. It takes around 1 hour to come to Göreme. So we now in Göreme. This is like a heart of Cappadocia, very beautiful place on the earth, and you can take a bus from airports to bus station and take another bus, but you can also ask in the hotel to ask the transfer. We only paid €8 for one people to travel to Göreme. It's about 100 kilometers. And the price is less. But we should wait a little bit, because the company waited for many people to the bus. It took around 1 hour. It's up to you. But if you will come late, better to take the transfer from the airport. Only from the hotel, you ask in the hotel, and it will be much cheaper. We booked hotel in Göreme for €10, but we wanted to stay there one more night and ask it in a hotel, and they told us it's already booked. We cannot find. So after 2 days we should find another hotel. It's a Cape hotel, and we paid a little bit more, but we became much better room. So we paid 15 €15 for it. This is my life. Oh, sorry, it's my life. We traveled too. And what I would like to tell you about the prices for food. It's expensive. It's really expensive, but you can buy some food in a supermarket like BIM or 101. I have another video where I tell about the markets like this. So my wife is looking for something. Anyway, friends, you should come here one time in your life. You should come here. You should visit open air museum of Göreme, but you should not, because if you only want to see some pictures of gods, you should go there, but and pay. We paid a little bit more. It's expensive. It was expensive for us because we paid 150 Turkish lira. It is around €15 for 2 people. For us, it's expensive. We are budget travelers. Maybe you should not go there. You have to ask, does just go walking like we. It's for free and nobody's here. Look, no people is here. It's around Gurumebram, but from other side. Okay, friends, I wish you really good trips and a lot of adventures. Just want to come here and everything will be good, I hope. So, friends, thank you for your watching. Uh, I have another videos on my channel about how to travel cheap in Turkey, and see you again. Bye bye.